Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one of my game, and after that I decide what I work on today. It's been a while, so first the command in the terminal to start stuff, wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. Not interested in release notes. I still working on the Spellmaker class. I was working that it works for bosses and kings. There was some bug I analyze next. Okay. A might be ready. Maybe one more line. I wait for a second. Okay, then it should be ready. It runs in the browser. Local host for me. And delete all data to start fresh. And I test the Spellmaker class, which is still work in progress. So I'm the guy in the middle. I am a Spellmaker. I think lightning is the easiest thing. I'm in Spellmaker mode. I need take lightning and high damage single target. On cast mode. Okay. These are enemies. If I come closer, then they want to try to attack me. Yeah. The bar above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. There's a boss, but I'm too strong. Gives me a skill point, explosion proximity seeker. If I have lightning, I should go. Lightning cannot see, can it? So let's go explosion. What is this? This is new. This shouldn't happen. Okay, is a bug. It's to do with the chains for king. Okay. Autocasts cannot. Oh, let's take Fireline. Also, it feels weaker than before. No, I am just not leveling currently. Okay, let's go to Spellmaker mode. I want a new spell. New spell. New spell. Switch over. This explosion. Okay, on 2. New spell. Switch on 3. And this is the most expensive one. I go to mode IG1. Okay. Okay, and on 2. Can I? Okay, spell mode, I'm 10, 8, 7. Okay, this should be. Do more damage, but still multiple clicks required. Okay. And this might be. They are delayed. This should not happen. Not finding turret, or turret and arbiter are the ones I want. Let's take turret. Let's make a new spell. I am on 0. I reset. I now take a turret. And on stage, put the lightning. No. Reset. Turret. Stage 1, lightning. Okay. No. Okay, orbiter. Now I have everything for my Z again. I again turret, way, orbit, fast, stage, lightning, and autocars I don't have. Okay. I want autocast. Also autocast has no scale. But let's put in the autocast, so I no longer have to kill. Seeker proximity. Move. Seek explosion? But without explosion I cannot fire it. Am I strong enough? Let's just assume I am and see. Yeah, this is strong enough. Oh. Oh. Okay, I died. So my movement speed was lacking. Oh, how I kite this boss. Okay, one round. Next, what I work on today? I had another bug. Lightning, not have no target, not disappearing. So let's first I increase the version. Main. 21 today. This change always takes a while. Next is lightning. I broke something. Lightning here. If it doesn't have a target, now it doesn't do anything. Am I the player? Do I have the same problem on no target? I have no target. This is a problem. Okay, what should the logic be? This happens regardless, does it? It's not damage done, but a damage tick done. There were no targets set damage done to true, then he will return and delete it. Okay, and the lightning on enemies is delayed. Okay, this should be the fix. Let's test it. I'm still test lightning. I have no select lightning. Now they disappear. Okay, this is how it should be, or I want it to be. Let's do a small bug fix. lightning disappear with no enemy. Disappear. I have no idea if I should check. Disappear. Disappear. Yes, okay. Double P, not double S. In commit, and this is fixed. Bug orbiter attaches to next boss. There was some strange stuff happening. This would require me to have close king area. I need to be skill point. So I have all I am. Orbit is the important one. What did I have? Orbit attaches to next boss, so turrets should be fine. If I have a turret which orbits, and let's make you shoot lightning. Give me experience. Oh, I have a problem, don't I? Some HP. Reduce boss HP, so I can. This is also not correct. They did not shoot. No, I'm confused. Let's go sniper. I spawn the boss. I spawn the next boss. Okay, it switches to him. Okay, but they also no longer shoot. Did I... How did I break it? I have a new bug. Lightning not shooting frequently. Did I break something? Class Spellmaker, lightning. Selected. This should work with no problems. And I need turret orbit. That turret orbit lightning on stage. Or did I not stage it? Yes, I did not stage it. Oh. Ah, yes. Okay, I'm the idiot. But it's hard to understand this problem. Okay, not a bug, user problem. But it's hard to notice that I did it incorrect. Back to why does the orbiter jump? Spellmaker. Is it tool orbiter? Have the ability object. Find the owner by ID. If I don't find the owner, I return 0, 0. Else I get the position. So the find owner by ID finds me something. This is unexpected. Player, past character, bosses. Searches everywhere. I do not notice the problem. The ability object I move. The ID shouldn't change. I want to debug. So again, I have my Spellmaker here. I want big enemies just because it's a bit simpler. I want to open the source. It's character sorted. Player character, Spellmaker. And I have Orbiter, and I am interested in it down here. I think I am the case where I have find an owner, okay. But after the second, so first I have to export spawn. It's here. Now I probably get in here. Yes. He doesn't find any owner, so he returns. But now when I next boss spawn, I have one. This one is... should have checked ability IDs. 52. 52. 52. Next boss spawn. They all have this ability ID. Interesting. I think I understand. Because I copy over. Don't change the ability ID reference. Yeah. Okay, this means who's responsible for this? I think it's character Spellmaker here. Create boss based on class and character. I make a steep copy. But I do not change the ability. The ability ID is not changed. Okay, I see the problem. Did I ever? How do I do it for musician? Shouldn't it be similar? Music sheet. I have the same problem, but I think there is no ability ID reference check. Because I don't care in this case. But I also see a different problem. When I and ability owner by ID, I search everything. So I search player, pass character, boss stuff, and but this is true. They all can have it. And this is problematic. Should I delete? I think I should delete, else this is taking too much. What is a delete trigger? The tool doesn't have any say in it. Interesting. No, I have the ability object. I do not find the owner. Oh, this is, I remember ability object. I don't have any information in here why to delete it. Because it can be different stuff. Oh, this is complicated. The turret has a remove time. And this is turret specific. It's not Spellmaker object specific. Why give Spellmaker objects a general flag? I can remove it. But the orbiter is a problem in general. I think a bit more. Because the orbiter could also be attached to other things. And I currently only attach them to could see it as a delete trigger also if it disappears. If I have multiple bosses, this doesn't work, so I definitely need to change the Spellmaker ID is next, get next ID. Refs ID counter, game state ID counter. This should fix it in my mind, even though there's different problems. So sniper, me damage, next boss spawn. Let's F2. It doesn't connect here, and this is a buggy. They are not loaded with anything. So for now this is fixed, but Orbiter needs changes. Tool Orbiter. If orbit target no longer exists, don't search each tick all entities bad for performance. Handle case. It is not only nor currently only handles for character as orbit target. Only option explanation or other things. Okay. Let's see. Orbital status next boss. This is bug fix. Orbiter not attached to next different characters. It's boss related more. Commit. Bosses should cast a spell. They do, don't they? Or is it related to if they don't have a spell, they wouldn't cast one? Did I give them melee attacks? Oh, yes, they have melee. I give them one spell, but if they don't have one, I can delete all spells. Do I care for it already? I think a bit. I can always bind a useless spell. So I could also try to no, bosses have melee attacks in the end. So this should be fine. There's a possibility that they don't have anything, but I should be fine with it. King-wise, it might be more interesting. Big enemies should cast something. Okay, now I check big enemies. They currently don't do anything here. Okay, let's find out. Why was this a problem? Or how did big enemies work in the first place? I think for the musician I specifically create I think musician might be the best check. Let's see. Is it in here where I have something? Was it an AI? The AI checks. I let them play if they are stopped. No. Continue. I do not have an active sheet. Can I take one? And let it run again. This case should not happen in this. Temp instrument. Add random node. Here I basically in the AI, here the AI checks that he doesn't have anything. So he adds a random one. This would also happen for bosses. And he has a wait time of 5,000. Not quite. If I don't have any node plates, then it would be instant, isn't it? And I need an instrument. Not sure if this is what happens for. I have to verify. When I add wait fixed position and I have that enemy type. On amount, add enemy to map. Wait with level. Create enemy. Is in here the ability, or is it get ability melee? Get enemy ability based on king. I have a function for it. Look what abilities the king has. Choose a random one. I use the create function and set up ability for enemy. This one I have. The music sheet uses it, okay. This one adds a random, okay, this is a function I need, I guess. Which means in my ability Spellmaker, I have this function. Set up here. I have the ability. The ability I need a Spellmaker. So this cast. I will need a spell. And I don't have a random one. But I think a bit. I probably do random explosion lightning or fire line. That's it. Okay. So I have a fixed set of things. But how do I set it up? Until now I only have spellcast. Cast ability. Tool function do on key down stuff. Tool explosion. And tick on key up. Key down, but this is. Is not exported. But this is what I need, I believe. Ugh. I have to figure it out again. This is only used here on key down and key up. This might be it, so I have to check what a spell was, I guess. Spellmaker spell. This is what I cast. Okay, tool object data. I have to check how I create the spell. Not what I need. Find all references, I guess. Oh, I'm confused. Can't be all references. Yeah, I have a spell. Ugh. Ability spells. I'm missing something. Q and spell. Oops. What did I quiz? Find all limp? No. Not what I want. This one, I guess. Here. This is one, but this is without any created objects, so it's still empty, but it's something, I guess. So now I need created objects. And key up. Tool functions return something. Start with explosion, I guess. Return explode. Explode is a work in progress thingy. Put in a radius, a damage factor. What is work in progress? It's an any. This is not good. Should have a type for it. This one. No. I copied incorrectly. Yes, I copied incorrectly. I'm an idiot. Okay. Okay, now he's happy. I have a create function for this, don't I? Create tool. I bind it, but I don't want create tool. Object explosion. This is not even exported. Okay, I need to export this one. Here I need explode of type B, and I can import this. Is damage 10? I have no idea. Center 0, 0, I guess. Damage factor 1. Next stage is empty. Radius is... I have no idea. I mean, type? What is the type? Our type is... Oh, it's called... this one is also exported. Oh, the problem is... But even these values here don't matter, do they? Is damage 10, radius 5. Five is tiny. I do 20 for explode. But my ability owner has a level, I believe. Well, I will see later. So I have to believe if Spellmaker spells it doesn't have any. But I start it with nothing, do I? When I have this one. Time will tell, I guess. So scaling would be after first I should make it so they cast something. They have a spell they casted. The spell is empty. I have to think this is, I created the spell and now I call the function, so it should be empty. And if I created ability, then I should have this one in here. But I could check Spellmaker spells length. If it would be 0, I would put this in. push one. This is too much. No. Spellmaker, spells, 0. Created objects, push, explode. Okay, let's find out, I guess. There was no errors. No, technically. I have the spellcaster boss. Make. Doesn't cost mana, so they cast it every tick. But why is it? Okay. I still need to set the mana cost. Where was it? Key down, tool select, one key up. I want the mana cost, but I don't need to update the display. I don't need, okay, so this one it is, I guess. I have created objects, this is explode. He doesn't like it, really? Because he wants an array, fair. Okay, then let's do this one. And Spellmaker. Spells 0. Mana cost is this one. No, they should not have the mana to spam. Still it's outlined. I wonder why. But I'm confused. Do you have mana? Let's check what the stats say. No sources. I am interested in Tick AI, I guess. Yeah, this should happen, I guess. Spellcast instant? No, this was correct. No. Random spell index. This should be 0, I guess. Oh, he didn't get it yet. Spell's length is 1, can only be 0. So I go to spells. I have 009. I think I will generate 1 mana per second. Or is it 0.1 per tick? Okay, it's not what I want, so I could times 10 this for the moment. Then I would assume I see less casting. So I don't understand why they have one surrounded. As I say, I have an idea. Spellmaker. Was it mode? Mode is spellcast. This might be missing. And it makes sense. Yeah, this was it. I still feel like he casts too often. Let's do times 100. Would be fine. Let's find out. And I have to check how it changes over distance. On, go in. 20 damage. Accept. Now I want to go a bit. It's check. Okay. Okay, now please one attack me. Only one. Even up. One more, one more. No, it's 30. Okay, the damage goes up. At least this seems to work. I would double, and this is my explode. Now I want to give it different spells. This is same for all. I calculate. I should also do this at this. No, I could do it here. No. I should do this at the start. Let's start with this. Then I make random next random. No, I cannot use next random on enemy. I remember. This was something with random. How did this work? Need a random based on position or something. I have to check musicians, I guess. Fixed random, this is what I search. Fixed random, what do you need? Ability owner X, ability owner Y, seed. What did I put in as seed? Game state map seed. Okay, game state map seed. And this is it, I guess. Use it as a seed. Okay, as my random seed. Okay. Fixed when. Hey. This is a random. I don't remember if it was between. I will not learn. Ability probability. Just put in 0. I think 0 is fine here too. Do I want the map seed? It doesn't matter, I guess. So I assume this is a value between 0 and 1. So it's multiplied by 3. And mass floyd. So I have 3 choices. If random. Do I switch? I don't like switch. Else if random equals 1. Now it's okay. So now I have. This is my explode. Second, I want not explosion. Lightning. Export. This is lightning. Radius base damage. Jumps. I should do 1. Okay. And I put lightning in. Might be it already. And last is fireline. Export. No. Fireline. Import. Fireline. Doesn't have a center, doesn't have jumps, doesn't... Damage factor not? Okay, but you should have positions. -10. No. X -10, Y is 10, 2, 10, 10, Y 10. He's happy. Not more, okay. And Fireline. But he's not happy. I broke something, I guess. Yes, I see. Okay. Maybe. It was the explode one. Firelines are strange. $20 damage, okay, that's fine. Fine. Okay, here's Fireline. 20 damage on Firelines. For some reason, Firelines seem weak, but they all work. Okay, so he's casting different spells. They do more damage, but they do not get more dangerous. I think a bit. In the end, I have to play the game to see if this is fair or not, but it's a start. Let's make it as a first commit, I believe. Spellmaker, big enemies cast something. Should cast something. This is done. Scale. I think the music enemies also do not scale. I never really played against musician big enemies, I guess. For high distances. Okay, then I go kings. Should cast a spell, they should. Balance spell damage for kings. I think I already did a bit. What's my time? Still 50 minutes for my target time. So might want to check stuff. Think a bit. Do I play one time? Let's play as a sniper against him. I think they have melee attack. Yes, they should have. And the boss also has. The sniper always has very easy. I can just... this is a fake. A fake king. I think I play test, so I delete. And I make a valid king. Plus Spellmaker, I go the easy route of lightning. Okay. I want actually... no, I try. I thought I wanted to build movement speed because it's so hard to survive. What do I take? Turret? Turret, lightning, this works. Staging tool, no, reset. Take turret with little mana on stage. I put the lightning, and I have this type. Okay. Next is Orbiter. And with this I already have my dream set up. No, reset, turret, some distance, some mana, orbit, fast staging tool, I put lightning in, I lightning, damage, no jumping, and now I just... An explosion. Explosion is probably... Autocast might be the most helpful thing. Oh. Okay. Just worried if my... distance is too high, but... autocast means I can... autocast now. Means you are done. I make a new spell. I go into... and this should be explosion. And I... No, staging does not reset. Okay, this is my explosion, which I can now level. Proximity, Seeker, Fireline. I think Fireline has the highest damage if I have Seeker. 2. I cannot seek without. Let's take Fireline. Okay, I reached. Okay, now I go into Spellmaker mode. I make a new spell. I go on the new spell and I have a Fireline. Oh, again, reset. Fireline, seek. And let's see if I can mode Fireline, seek in the other direction. Eight, 9, but my other on 15, so I should. Nine, 8, 9. Maybe it's good enough. Okay, so I go on autocast. Okay, okay. Now I have a valid king. I never checked autocast, did I? Okay, but now next try is a sniper. So they do cast something. Explode, this is fine. What is this? This is my exploit. Okay, I understand. This is also not my spells, this is correct. Additional charge. Next boss is, oh god. Can I go near here? No, they shoot at me. What did you do? So strange. Okay, this I understand. This is Fireline. Didn't one enemy not have anything? Or did I miss? Let's do speed. And are these two? No, it's an enemy. It's darker. Don't know if the mana bar is helpful. Maybe I should not paint it for default enemies. But it's currently in the indication that it's a caster. Okay. Synergy after image. Yeah, it's the best choice. Slow trail, cooldown. Let's do slow trail. Don't feel too strong currently. Maybe I should have bought HP. Oh god. A week. Next boss. Damage and range. Okay, this will help a lot. Charge. The fact that they do not cast at my position. If they cast at my position, might be a lot harder. 15k. Boss. Stay. Split shot it is. Additional charge. Speed. Let's take another speed, I guess. Okay. 16. Currently it feels doable to reach the king. Oops. Oops. Let's go here. Oh god. 19. Okay. Boss. Fire lines. Seek. Seek. No! This was doable. Okay. Speed. HP. This I should be doable. Okay. But it worked. But this is the first time the boss started with fire lines. And for him it was... I mean, I was too slow. Now I have base speed up. I should be able to dodge. Again after damage, okay. I take more speed. Again this one. Oh, es ist deadly. Well, next try. Now invest in experience. How much more? I have 94 bonus HP. This gives me basically 50% more. Survivable, but it's difficult. Yeah, let's hope this time this is the one where I do not need to care. Why do I get always these? Half damage again. Take additional charge. Gain the easy... What did do damage to me? I didn't pay attention. Don't like the upgrade choices. I need better options. I want. What is this? Explode doesn't help me for big enemies. Stay still is strong, but it doesn't work by default on after image, so it's a bad combo. And it's one of the more difficult. Another after. I try after image 3. Stay still can work if I get the combination. Slow trade. Okay, more rifles. Again after image. This is unlikely to happen. It should be unlikely to happen. Why Q? Q was the one key. Something hit me? God. Load. This is not very likely to succeed. I wait here. Oh God, what is this? I have to. Oh God, this is my death. Fine. Time to. Do I have another speed? I have another speed. Synergy more rifles. Synergy more rifles. Yes. It did take it. Okay. Cool down. Cool down. Okay. I somehow survived. While I have some synergy now. They are. This more get many small enemy. They don't change the direction they shoot. I just have to fire constantly that my stuff is up, I guess. No strong, consistent single target. But it's not the abilities which make it's just the melee attacks. So I currently, I think, ignore it. Or did I take damage from it? Okay, lightning hit me at some point. Another try. I want to get to the king. Invest in money. Let's hope this time I get upgrade will help me. which make it easier for this direction. Oh. Damage and range. This is the best upgrade to get. One time. No Miss Chain or stay still. Good question. Let's go stay still, I guess. Slow trail. I have aftermatch I don't want. Stay still 2. Terrain bonds. I think it's another stay still. I need a second speed, I guess. Oh, no. No. Survived, okay. Split shot. Split shot helps. Additional charge. Okay, looking good this time. Okay. I think the king will be hard because I have the fire follow. Maybe I will need a tank build. Okay, more rifle. Synergy stays still. Synergy stays still. What do I synergize with? Split shot. Good enough. I take duration, I guess. Was suddenly a lot. God. Barely survived. I should stay for a bit of HP, I guess. I have 80 seconds. Can I? Maybe slow, but steady is fine. Okay, boss. Oh God. And okay. No Miss Chain is a harder multiplier. Let's try, I guess. Hold on. Okay, I reached. Oh, let me think. I fear the fire that follows, because he constantly fires it, I believe. And I don't have a retry. Let's find out. Oh god, how do I do this? With a lot of damage? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Cannot stay still? This fire is... I have no idea. This is interesting. I think I have no chance as a sniper. But it's working as intended. Is another Spellmaker? I also have no chance. So let's think, what could I... Tower Builder would most likely work. Musician... I think it's not tanky. I think I need a tank. Only Tower Builder is tank, so... and I do attached towers. And I am interested in... Did I build Sword? Ice Hour, I think. What? I have no single target. I built for... Again, another try. I was not tank yet. Again, 1, 2, 3. I take Ice Aura. A... Okay. Again, this one. Oh, I have to think. Is it unlucky that I always get it at the start? Maybe I go attached. The first one I place is actually here. Good, I skipped. This is ice. And okay, I completely missed, but doesn't matter. Now I have a front. Max towers. Okay. Now I should kill... And let's do more damage at the start. And I hope this time... Yes, I kill him instantly. And I can now dodge. Perfect. I ignore. Okay, at least this is fine. Bonus HP. Bonus move speed. Max tower. Max tower. So I have here, here, here. For damage. tower. HP Regen. Okay, 2 more towers. 1, 2, 4. So far, so good. Tower damage, bonus HP. Okay, now he is surviving longer. Oh god. You died. I didn't see the laser, I guess. Goblet lock. Lightning. 300 damage. They hit hard. But it's a high damage version, yes. So it's not impossible, but I fail. I, with the sniper, was able to reach the king, but I have no chance against the king. With the tower build, I thought I was tanky, but it does a shit ton of damage, I guess. Because it's the ×10 version. So even if I get tanky as a tower build, that might not be good enough. Should I ball? Okay, then let's try ball. I do this. Reroll might, when do we try? Okay, let's find out, I guess. First, what? I think I hit him, yes. Bounce shield I need. Nice, Geo Lightning Strikes build. So this is okay. So far, bounce bonus damage. Ball bounce. Okay. Now I stack. Oh! The laser are here. Okay, it's already gone. Eh. Want to stack up. Okay. See. Oh no! Oh god. Oh! Oh, another one. Oh god. Can I? I think I hit him. I think. Bounce shield. Yes. Here I have. Okay, HP increase. Survived. $15K is next boss. Let's. $15. Okay. I'm a bit safe here. Bounce bonus damage. Let's do one more lightning strikes. Next boss is on 18K. Okay, let's go in. 18. Let's get my shield up here. Okay, now think. I have how much HP? 700 plus 2000. Or lightning strikes do not necessarily work, so if I go more HP, I'm now at 800. And I okay. Can do this. Okay, this is possible. One more, I believe. One more I don't have. Did I win? Yes, okay. Oh god. Don't go. Okay. Defeated. Damage meter. No, combat log. What's my time? 13 minutes. 400 damage. With my shield, I was tanky enough. Fireline did 50. So although the Seeking Fireline is pretty dangerous, I found a way to beat it at least. Now what do I do? Balance spell damage for kings. I think I did have some balancing. So for a first version, I'm fine with it, I guess. So I remove this other stuff. Bosses I checked, other stuff I have. Damage meter. I think this doesn't work yet. Might not work yet. Well, I checked and did not check it. So let's see. Spellmaker. Make a 1. What did I do for... I think I started on explosion. This is the only thing I can do. And I have some mid-size, mid-damage. No, I had low damage plus 1 big center damage. Okay. Then I have 1 and I can do this. Okay, damage meter, check. Nothing is created. It's still the lightning. Okay, I think there's nothing. Seeker and proximity and explosion works. Could technically, but proximity costs mana, I guess. But I should... Yeah, it doesn't trigger at all, so I should... This means damage meter is missing. Anything else? Combat log. These are in. Achievements. I don't have... Well, it's not officially in yet, so achievements is after I added it. So I am pretty much at the end. I have to... What did I do? Achievements. Achievements is clear. Ten more minutes. What do I do? I could... I mean, it might be an easy flag for damage meter to work. Does it? I think I miss a damage breakdown function or something. Probably check musician. Musician might be the closest to the music sheet. I probably have a function. Create damage breakdown. I think this is the one. Copy this for now. I believe I don't have it in here. Don't have it, so I will add it. Function. Get damage breakdown. Put it in, thank you. Oh, I have to change it. This is imported. If I have an ability object, fair, then I have to check what type it is. Now I'm unsure. But it might be Spellmaker explode. Is this correct? Let's take it. But I should verify. Spellmaker explode. I use them. Yes, I use them. Okay, they should be the correct ones. Ability name Spellmaker Fireline and ability Spellmaker Lightning. Okay, this might be it. Let's try it out. I take lightning, I go lightning. Damage meter. 100 damage, but it's 120. Interesting. I do not count this damage amplifier. Okay, fine. Doesn't matter too much. Okay, I need a second damage type. Fireline. Spell make mode. New spell. I switch. I make fireline. Back and now, yeah. Okay. Perfect. So this might already be it. I could try to make it more diverse by knowing if a turret casted it, but this would need more tracking again. But I have the track data, don't I? I can think how to do the breakdown, I guess. Let me think. I believe ability objects should be Spellmaker objects. Ability Spellmaker, and I have a toolchain in here, and the toolchain gives me information. Ability Spellmaker object. Let's try around with it, I guess. This means the object Spellmaker different ability object is this one. Then I could change the name. Actually, I do not need to care, maybe. But the name could be toolchain. Is it flat map or something? Or join? Join. Separator is optional. I wonder what it's without. Okay, let's try this one. Then I restart. I go Spellmaker and I give me all tools. Then I have L1 explode. New spell, second spell. Turret. Stage with lightning. Then I have another spell. Turret. No. Stage 0. Also staging, let's make the note. Always forget. Reset a stage tool on Z stage on spell make mode under more conditions. Okay. I want to orbit, and I put lightning in here. And now I want another spell. Go on 3, where I have my fireline. Stage again with that. Fireline. And say seek. And one more is new spell for is proximity. And stage 0. Proximity. Also seeking in this direction, in this direction, and on stage I explode. Explode. Okay. Now let's start, I guess. Maybe I did too much in one damage meter. Explosion 100%. Was second spell. Turret lightning. I didn't. Wait. I have lightning in both? Turret orbit, lightning, turret lightning. But this is a single lightning. No, the turret shoots. And then it. Okay. Now I have Fireline Seeker. Okay, this, I think I like it. Then let's go in mode and activate. This one I don't care. This one I don't care. This one I want. This is... Which one is this? I'm confused. Did I destroy my Fireline one? Seems like it. No, I'm on stage 0. Okay. Now I have all. Okay. Perfect. Now I have a damage meter. Turret orbit, lightning, proximity seeker, explosion, Fireline Seeker. What? Okay, what does it tell me? Seeker explosion is. Fireline is the weakest. Interesting. Probably cannot keep up. They don't have a high speed on their spawn. This is probably the main issue. I could have one over it. And let's see. Oh, definitely. Lightning is 96%. The Fireline can't keep up. Okay, but this is what I wanted. And how's my time? I reached my time limit or my time target. Which means... What was the last change? Yes, okay. Spellmaker damage meter. Now I need to run my tests. And so just test replace. I expect everything to work as Spellmaker still is not in this tests. In these tests. And after that I come to an end for today. Okay, everything successful. With this I can push it so it gets deployed. I should close to the right, too many things open. And check other stuff. Damage meter is checked. I think a preview X. And then more option might be the next thing. Or I can think about it next time if I want more option and do UX later. But okay, I come to an end for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. The end.